What is up, guys? We live in the trap, in the Big Bird, the Tonka. Shit. Yellow car tripping. But anyways, today we're headed to Mr. Gonzalez's motorsport shop. I'm gonna go visit my boy Rob. He has a little event today. It's like a meet and greet, I guess you can say. He's more like a cars and coffee. He has music. He has a bunch of sponsors there that are set up in tents and stuff. Get to check out what he does, all the cars he's currently building. Talk to him. You know, just a little get to really see what goes on behind his shop and stuff like that. But we're gonna go see my car. I really want to see my car. I haven't seen my car in a little minute. So, and I dropped off some suspension components. I don't know if he installed them yet, but hopefully he did, because I'm trying to take the car if I can today. If not, I'll go back Monday. Hopefully he gets it done by Monday or Tuesday. But we're gonna pull up in the Trackhawk, so both the cars are gonna be there. The red eye. God damn, I just got hit by a rock. But we're in that way. Gonna pick up my boy 941, and we're gonna see what today brings. Yeah, we're in this tank. We got people cutting people off, people going over onto the grass, making the U-turn. I'm already annoyed. I'm trying to get out of this traffic, bro. Who the heck crashed? Hope they're okay, but still. El pinche 941. That shit is nice, I ain't gonna lie, bruh.
Have a bearing or an internal damage, or
nice.
You on there, the oil things out on you.
The eye is purple. Got a purple eye. Yeah, that's just alright. My car's better. The Hawk and the red eye. Nah, bro, this one's bad as fuck, bro. Hi. What is up? It's your boy AB Whips. We're picking up the video probably like 2 days now since I recorded the last clip, but my bad. Nah, but we're gonna go pick up a drive shaft that I ordered. I haven't really been doing shit the past days, that's why I didn't have anything to record. But today we're gonna go pick up the drive shaft for the red eye, and hopefully we can get it ready for Texas 2K. We might be going, so I'm pretty excited for that. Well, I forgot to record little like cinematic time lapse or whatever, but we're already here.
Trucks are nice.
We're trying to find the shop. Oh yeah, it is right there.
Stupid.
Alright, we're gonna be picking up the new drive shaft for the red eye. What's up, man? Picking up drive shaft?
The Hellcat? Yeah, give me 1 second. Let me offload these real quick and then I'll get you set up.
Bit of the morning. Yeezys work pants.
Work shirt.
Work shirt. Balenci's work pants and work shirts in the car. Hardworking man. Tx2K presented by Summit. Be closed March 13th through Sunday. Hey, we will too. Hey, to vendor in Houston at Tx2K. Houston. I've never been to Houston. Have you?
Truck looks nice.
Helping you out.
Yeah.
So I'll take you to the back real quick.
You don't mind if we record, right?
Yeah, no, you're good, buddy. Yeah, we do the same thing. You're gonna see us at fucking Texas. Which one you got? The Canon?
Yeah.
We got
I have the G7 next. Yeah.
Yeah, we
The Canon.
we just bought the Sony ZF something. Bro,
Oh, yeah.
fucking man. Yeah. That's her, bro.
My God.
That's our. This is your hardware. Get you some little goodies with it. That's gonna be fucking plug and play for you, bud.
Yeah.
Balanced out, shiny as hell. And if so, you said were you running drive shaft shop or not?
No.
No. Okay, so I was gonna say if some people run like other shafts and they run with adapters.
Yeah.
This is direct bolt-in, so this would literally go right in. This is set up. That's gonna go towards the transmission.
Yeah.
This is gonna be rear end. We have it wrote on the flanges too, so that way you remember. We do that on purpose though, so that way that slip stays away from the rear end heat. Keeps it cooler. A lot of that part right there has what's called glide coat, stuff like that. It allows it to slip and slide. If it gets too hot, things can happen. So training's got coolers, rear ends don't, and also keeps it away from debris, right? You got like the exhaust and everything kind of covers that right there. But no, dude, that's her in all her glory, man.
It's gonna look nice. Wish you could see it.
Which is nice.
Yeah, real quick. Yes,
Cold.
sir. This shit is built good. Pretty nice people, man.
Cool people.
Now we go to Rob, see what the fuck he's up to.
Fucking off. Alright, guys. We'll do a little transition in a bit. Music over it. Alright, guys. We are finally back in our nice little town. About to get to Gonzales.
We're back with my boy Rob. Robski.
Yeah, it's a nice boat.
Let's get rain.
You got a fucking beer mug. You don't need it. Hey, I've been collecting. Oh shit.
What is up, guys? Top of the morning. Hope everyone's having a great day. Or I mean a great morning. But yeah, it's a whole nother day. This video is probably gonna be like a whole week worth of content, which isn't. I didn't record that much, but every time I record it was a different day. So my bad for that. I ain't really have nothing to record every single day. So today, what the plan is for today is get the car done. Hopefully Rob gets it done today and take it to get it lined, and then after that clean up the track hawk, clean up my car, start getting the rental, the trailer, what else? Making sure, test my car, making sure that it hooks with the new suspension. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. Just basically testing everything before we leave tomorrow. We leave tomorrow. So, getting everything ready for tomorrow, making sure everything works the way it's supposed to work before we head out. We don't want something to break or to go wrong during the trip. So like we have to prepare in advance. Gonna put some of that nitro in the Hawk.
It's daylight saving time.
See what we get. I'm gonna fill up the tank.
A number of properties throughout the rear. One of the most notable investments is a 23-acre estate in Montecito, California. It includes a main residence, guest house,
If you're looking to get a track hawk, just make sure to know that these motherfuckers drink gas like a motherfucker. So just know you're always gonna be at the gas station. Alright guys, full tank got us $102 with 23 cents. That was a full tank.
Behavioral health is a 24-hour cycle.
Alright. 333 miles. It's pretty shitty, to be honest. I ain't gonna lie. But it is a track hawk. Gonna grub real quick.
Early morning once again.
Too short. It's 8 o'clock.
Tomorrow's gonna be a crazy day. Gotta prepare a lot of stuff.
Gotta get that vitamin C. They got to work, man. It looks good, huh? The red.
Damn.
MC, make another hit.
This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. Ha! 1600 block. I just wanna rock. I just wanna
Finally ready, man. Finally.
I just wanna rock. Body out of ya. Shorty got that body out of ya. Hit it once, no time. Side up, fuck, you gon' kill my vibe. Stand on my money, don't on my side. Pick them sides, and you better choose wisely. That's my high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my high. Damn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
MC, make another hit.
This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want.